Today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G62 5G, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can turn on the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display, open the control center. In here find the respective Dolby Atmos shortcut. It looks exactly like so. Then touch and hold on it. As you could have just seen, it states that the Dolby Atmos will be always on once you play audio from the speakers, so there is no need to enable it. It gets activated automatically. But if you would like to set it up, you can do that by changing what Dolby Atmos preset fits your current needs best. So you can set it to be music, film, game, or podcast. You can also set it to the smart audio value that will automatically switch between those two presets, and will be able to identify which preset is the most fitting for any given moment. And each of those presets can be also edited and customized in terms of, for example, brilliant, treble, bass boost, vocal boost, and flat. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.